Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we're exploring a rare and fascinating classic, the 1959 Pontiac Pickup. A unique blend of style, power, and utility, this vintage beauty is a true collector's dream. The 1959 Pontiac Pickup is a vehicle that stands out in automotive history, blending Pontiac's signature design language with the practicality of a pickup truck. Under the hood, this classic pickup is powered by a 389 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering an estimated 300 horsepower. This was impressive for its time, providing smooth yet powerful acceleration, making it both a workhorse and a stylish cruiser. At the front, the Pontiac Pickup features a bold split grille, a signature Pontiac design, flanked by quad headlights encased in chrome bezels. The chrome front bumper adds to its striking appearance, while the hood showcases Pontiac's classic jet-inspired ornament, giving it an unmistakable vintage charm. Moving to the side, the long and sleek body lines flow beautifully, capturing the elegance of late 50s automotive design. The large, curved side glass enhances visibility, while the wide chrome-trimmed wheel arches house polished steel wheels wrapped in period-correct white-wall tires. The body-colored door handles blend seamlessly into the design, maintaining the truck's smooth, uninterrupted lines. At the rear, the truck bed is functional yet stylish, featuring elegant tail fins that mirror Pontiac's passenger cars of the era. The wraparound taillights, influenced by the Bonneville's design, give the pickup a futuristic look. A sturdy chrome rear bumper completes the package, making the 1959 Pontiac Pickup a true gem from the golden age of American automobiles. Inside, the 1959 Pontiac Pickup offers a cabin that feels more like a luxury car than a work truck. The dashboard is wide and streamlined, featuring classic Pontiac styling with a large speedometer and auxiliary gauges set in chrome bezels. The radio and controls are neatly integrated into the center, reflecting the mid-century automotive aesthetic. Unlike modern trucks, there's no LCD screen here, just a beautifully designed analog instrument cluster that gives a true vintage driving experience. The side doors feature chrome accents and padded armrests, providing comfort while maintaining a premium look. The gear shifter is mounted on the steering column, a common feature of the time, allowing for a spacious front bench seat. The ignition switch and start button are positioned on the dashboard, adding to the car-like feel of the truck. The steering wheel is large and thin-rimmed, complete with the classic Pontiac emblem at its center. The front bench seat is upholstered in premium vinyl or fabric, offering both comfort and durability. While there are no rear seats in this single-cab design, the truck's spacious interior ensures a comfortable ride for two passengers. Cargo space is where this Pontiac truly shines. The truck bed is generously sized, capable of handling light-duty hauling while maintaining an elegant design. Unlike typical work trucks of the era, this pickup was built more for style than heavy labor, making it a unique piece of automotive history. The 1959 Pontiac Pickup is an extremely rare and valuable collector's item, with prices varying based on condition and restoration quality. Fully restored models can fetch anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 or more at auctions, making it a prized possession for vintage car enthusiasts. The 1959 Pontiac Pickup is a stunning blend of classic design and utility, standing as one of the most unique trucks ever produced. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car insights on Road Ready Review.